I'ma jump up like I done a hurdle. Be at home by 9 like my brother's curfew.
The thing's always near me, skip me the theory. Tell her on the SIM card, this brick ain't got Siri. RS11 in my wrist got me weary.
Yo, what we say, people? What we say, we back here. ABS3, Apple 2 Accord. You don't know, get to know. Come on. Yo, listen, guess where we at? Guess where we at? Because you lot love that yellow S3. It just made sense to be back at the gaffer's yard, innit? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, mate. So obviously, now today's episode is not what you think it is. Unfortunately, we are not getting the S3, my S3, tuned. We're here for a different reason. Now that reason is, unfortunately, I did some damage to my S3. I wouldn't say I crashed it, but I crashed it. Obviously, as you can see, she looks good except for the flat tire. So it's not actual damage, but yeah, I did damage to the suspension side. So you will see the wheels in a sec. Mate, I did damage to the wheels, man. You don't want to see the wheels. But yeah, man. So obviously, I just thought since we're gonna get the S3 tuned here at some point, it would have made sense to bring it down the gaffer's yard, innit? You know what I'm saying? So obviously, the owner has just gone out, just nipped out real quick. We're gonna take the car on a ramp, and we're gonna assess the damage and you know what the issue is, the cost. And might as well get the car tuned once all that is done. But yeah, man. Oh, stay tuned. So yeah, obviously we're gonna put it on the ramp now, and yeah, just make sure as well underneath, because obviously what they're saying as well is 18 different codes, but it could potentially be a wiring issue. Sorry, electrical issue. So obviously if we sort that electrical issue out, apologies for the noise. If we could sort out that electrical issue out, because obviously that one electrical issue could just be the cause of that one. Sorry, not one, the 18 issues. So let's go and tackle this issue then. Oh yeah, we didn't even get to introduce the other owner, John.
Yeah.
Yes. So obviously I've been chatting to John this whole time on his Instagram. Unfortunately, he wasn't with us last time. You know, when we came down for Declan's S3.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's here today, so yeah.
Sorry about all the noise.
Yeah, in here. That's how it's here. It was a bit different, innit? Now they got the whole fence and everything going on. Yeah. Right.
Clear up a little bit, make it look a little bit more pretty.
Yeah, man, standard. Oh yeah, so what's going on then? Obviously, Michael, you made a deal last time.
What?
On that.
I'm still in the same position.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, what a shame.
The plans are still there, don't worry.
Oh, good.
So I'm going to check it again.
No progress is better than no progress. So you know. Fucking hell. Nah, Michael did me dirty. Yeah, honestly, that is a nasty piece of work. Look at that. Shit.
Welded. The sensor's been welded onto the hood.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's some cowboy movement, that, isn't it?
Look at the look at your hub, look at that metal. What the fuck?
Try and get in there with
That is mad.
Look how,
Have a look, that's what the sensor should be like. On like that, just normal.
Oh,
wait, it's away at the bolts and that.
wow. Now, you know what? Now I'm more curious about the drive shaft, you know, because he did the drive shaft as well.
Yeah, he's not on this side, the boot's fucked on it.
Let's see.
This drive shaft's probably fucked.
Yeah, so that's, you know what? You know what? I don't think that's even the right drive shaft, you know, because I had to change that. Like, how many times did I change it? 3 times. I had to change that 3 times.
When did you change that?
I just changed that about 2 weeks ago.
That one?
This one, yeah. This drive shaft, this one. The wheel hub. That was a new one from TPS.
You left you with the bolts, not the brakes.
The angle's not even off the exhaust either. Yeah.
Oh, man.
That cable's not supposed to be there.
That's stuck up there, look at that. Hey?
Jesus Christ. You see this, people?
Hey, that's stuck on top of the
Fucking hell. Let's see what else. Because, I might find other surprises around here. Who knows? Yeah, this is just funny.
What the fuck is your pal done, man? You should be put in jail.
I shouldn't even be laughing. Not for real.
Hey, what? Yeah. Look at this plug here.
Where's that plug supposed to be?
Fucking. It's a good question. Come round here. Stuck on top of the fuel tank. But how the fuck's it got up there?
Has the fuel tank been dropped at all? Pushed down and then put it on it?
You know what? He replaced it because, you know, in that video that I've shown you, so the wheel went inside, so it burnt the fuel line. So I had to get a new fuel tank. So you see that? So it burnt, so then some of the thing went inside.
So that's a plug that's not plugged in somewhere as well.
That's meant to be plugged in.
Did these tyres come with these alloys? Or did you have these tyres on?
No, these are my actual tyres.
So we put the
That's mad. Yeah, people. It's not looking too good, bruv. It's not looking too good, bruv. Yeah, mad. Wow.
There's a plug hole there that the plug's supposed to go in, and it probably gets plugged in over here. It's probably the fuel problem that we're having.
Oh, really? So basically, we went from 18 different issues to 6 issues to what? What would you say, about 30, 60 issues now? Yeah, that says it all for Michael. Fuck it, hell. Yeah, we got 100. Yeah, we got 99 issues. Shit. Oh shit! Why am I even laughing? I should be stressed. Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it, oh man. It is what it is. It's here now, innit? So. I mean, it's flipping out. I mean, it's a good job. It's just this side. Wait, what is it? Just this side so far?
I think, yeah. So
imagine if it was all 4. Fucking hell.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that'd be long, that.
So I think what oh, that should not be there. That's how it gets squished. Yeah, so obviously the suspension, the strut, got a bit of damage to it.
Yeah.
The hub, need a full hub. Hopefully the arms and all that are straight. Or
You know, with this, should I just get a whole new, brand new thingy?
I would.
Because I saw one for like literally 150. It comes with like the whole thing.
So I'd say the arm, the hub, probably. See, this could be there. See this one,
Yeah.
swing arm, that could be bent.
Okay.
It's gonna be just gonna need a whole new side here, everything.
Basically, right.
Because it's all hanging off. It's all in bits. So that doesn't look like a new one that's been put on.
Yeah.
It's a bad second-hand one. Then bolts. You should be alright with that, to be honest. And then once it's all off, we'll be able to redirect all the cables and stuff where they should be.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. To be fair, because I've seen a few on thingy, on like eBay, Facebook, going for cheap. I didn't even know that they go cheaper together than separately. Because I was like fucking hell. Because
people sell like full front ends and stuff like that. Like sometimes we don't split them up.
yeah, which makes it
We
easier.
get all the parts, but we get new parts from TPS or from our member dealers. So.
Yeah.
Right, so I think things to concentrate on is that rear corner.
Yeah.
Once you've got that done, that fixes those two problems.
Okay.
It'll be drivable. The front looks okay to me, to be honest.
Sweet.
Just need a few bits for that, and then
What about the issue with that before? You know, when Mike was inside the car and the
you look at.
the red line.
We'll have to have a look at that.
With the codes there, obviously going out on the road and coming into boost and stuff might bring something else up,
Okay.
but because it's sitting there, that's why the codes might come up. So the engine light and everything's off, but it doesn't mean it's going to stay on.
Right.
We'll have to drive the car, put it into boost, and then see what happens.
Log it and see what we can see. Obviously that oil cap was off, so that
Yeah.
it must have been causing issues.
Yeah. That's weird. That I don't know why it was.
That was off. Yeah, map sensor on the inlet manifold pipe was off.
Okay.
That's on. So let's get the back sorted because you can't do nothing with the whole garage.
Yeah.
Get that sorted and then hopefully that way, because in the past when we've seen an issue with an ABS
Yeah.
sensor, the wires have fucked on one of the cars we were doing.
Okay.
Load the lights on the dash.
Right.
So, and as you can see, somebody's well with it.
Yeah, man. No comment, people. I didn't know anything about it, so yeah. Fucking hell. Mad.
So
Yeah.
Go a bit deeper next week, but let's get some parts placed up.
Yeah. 100%.
Correct parts. That hub is definitely wrong.
Yeah. I've had to go back and forward, so yeah. So yeah.
Back on the road too, good.
Yeah.
This is going to cost loads of your fucking
Fuck money. Oh shit. It is what it is, people. It is what it is. This is what happens when when you're into cars anyway. But yeah, people, don't be like me and crash a car, because if you're gonna be like me, yeah, you're gonna be broke. You're gonna be broke. So yeah, people, that's that. So obviously they're gonna do furthermore checks on Monday, because it's Saturday. Everyone's at that pull-up MSBs, so I think they're attending anyway. I'm not too sure, but yeah, nice one. So yeah, one second, let me get in my car so I can explain anything. Because it's loud, people. Loud. So check this, people. A lot of issues with that car. A lot of issues. All because I gave it to my friend. starting a business. I thought, you know what, yeah, let me help him out. Boom, because he's got some sort of experience, because he does he like race cars. So I thought, yeah, he's a race car mechanic, innit? But yeah, some of the shit, so some of the shit they were saying to me, yeah, like it just. I had my doubts. When he passed me the car back, I had my doubts. I was like, rah. Every time I give him a car to him, he'd be like, oh, the car's ready. There'll be more issues when I go and pick up the car back. I'll be like, Ras, why is this now? Why have I got an issue with this now? And so anyway, they're gonna do the proper checks. They're gonna find the parts, breakers, all that, and then obviously once they do that, sweet, we'll move on to the next challenge. Obviously, like I said, we're still gonna get a car tuned, but obviously that's on the last. That's like in the bottom of the pile. So yeah, that's the oldest fucking GTI, fucking nasty, mate. It's the new one as well, isn't it? What they call the MK8 Mark 8, nasty. I'll show you, but I'd want to get his reg in. But yeah, so yeah, man, stay tuned, people. Oh fucking hell, Michael's got a G80. Yeah, I forgot he's got a G80. Yeah, nasty. Bye, boy whips. Still smoking. Both of them. Standard, you get me? Nasty, yo. Nasty. Yeah. Anyway, people, yo, if you like that, you know what to do, man. Just subscribe. I don't really care about anything else. Just subscribe, you get me? I need to get to 1,000 followers so mine can start getting some scoring doolies, you get me? More money, more content. So you don't know the deal, people, so get at it. Bow.